What's the meaning of brightness? Brightness. Brightness.
Brightness. Brightness. Brightness refers to the level of lightness or luminance of an object or a display. It is commonly used in the context of visual perception and technology, such as computer monitors, projectors, and televisions. A higher brightness level indicates more intense light, which can make objects appear clearer or more vibrant. However, excessively bright displays can also lead to eye strain and discomfort, particularly in low-light environments. Adjusting the brightness level can help optimize visual comfort and improve image quality in different settings.